Talk about woodpecker birds. Title: Woodpecker birds, a clever and rare species in need of conservation. Introduction. Woodpecker birds are wild creatures known for their remarkable hunting skills and ability to find food at great heights. However, these intelligent birds are facing the threat of extinction, with their population dwindling rapidly. They primarily inhabit remote forests and mountains, far away from human settlements. In this essay, we will explore the significance of conserving woodpecker birds, highlighting their unique attributes and the urgent need for preservation. Unique hunting abilities. Woodpecker birds possess exceptional hunting techniques that set them apart from other avian species. Equipped with strong beaks and powerful neck muscles, they skillfully peck at tree trunks to uncover insects and larvae hidden beneath the bark. Their ability to extract food from tree cavities distinguishes them as clever predators. Adaptation to high altitudes. Woodpecker birds are often found in mountainous regions, where they search for food at elevated heights. Their strong claws and stiff tail feathers allow them to cling to vertical surfaces and maneuver effortlessly on tree trunks. Their adaptability to such environments showcases their resilience and specialized nature. Rarity and declining numbers. Unfortunately, woodpecker birds have become increasingly rare due to various factors such as habitat loss, deforestation, and illegal hunting. Their secluded habitats, far from human settlements, have made it difficult for conservation efforts to reach them. As a result, their population has significantly declined, putting them at risk of extinction. Ecological importance. Woodpecker birds play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats. By excavating tree cavities, they create nesting sites for other bird species and small mammals. Their foraging activities help control insect populations, preventing outbreaks that could harm the overall health of forests. Preserving woodpecker birds is essential for the overall well-being of their ecosystems. Conservation efforts. Given the critical status of woodpecker birds, conservation initiatives are imperative. Efforts should focus on several key areas. A. Habitat protection. The preservation of woodpecker habitats, including forests and mountainous regions, is vital. Strict regulations need to be implemented to prevent deforestation and destruction of their nesting sites. B. Research and monitoring. Extensive research and monitoring programs should be established to gather data on woodpecker populations, their behavior, and their specific conservation needs. C. Awareness and education. Raising awareness among local communities, schools, and the general public about the importance of conserving woodpecker birds is crucial. Education programs can foster a sense of responsibility and encourage sustainable practices. D. Collaboration and international cooperation. Conservation efforts should involve collaborations between local communities, governmental organizations, and international conservation bodies. Sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise can maximize the impact of conservation initiatives. Conclusion. In conclusion, woodpecker birds are remarkable creatures with unique hunting abilities and an exceptional ability to thrive in high-altitude environments. However, their rarity and declining numbers due to habitat loss and illegal hunting demand urgent conservation actions. Preserving woodpecker bird populations is essential not only for their own sake but also for the well-being of the ecosystems they inhabit. By protecting their habitats, conducting research, raising awareness, and fostering international cooperation, we can ensure the survival of these intelligent and invaluable avian species. Let us join forces to conserve woodpecker birds and secure a brighter future for them and our natural world. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you good health.